everything will be fully respected by Canada. They're doing everything to prevent this commission from doing its work, but nothing to recuperate tax evasion. The Conservatives are sitting on $29 billion in unpaid taxes, but rather than putting this necessary resources into place to recuperate that, they cut the CRA's budget. All that they've done since they've come to power has resulted in nothing. What, therefore, is the concrete plan to recuperate these funds? The Honourable Minister of National Revenue
stated that the improvements that the Canada Revenue Agency has made have resulted in a significant increase in the amount of tax debt being collected. Mr. Speaker, we accept all of the Auditor General's most recent recommendations, and we've already taken action on the recommendations, including measures to ensure that tax debts don't expire, Mr. Speaker. Our Economic Action Plan proposes a number of measures to close tax loopholes, address aggressive tax planning, crack down on international tax evasion, and we'll be happy to see the opposition vote for it.
The Honourable Member for Victoria.
Speaker, we're talking about almost $30 billion in uncollected taxes. And all we hear from this minister is self-congratulation. Her own plan cut $68 million from the Accounts Receivable and Returns Compliance Department alone. How can the government make these cuts when there is $29 billion in uncollected tax debt? And then there's the billions of dollars in tax havens, which the Conservatives are taking baby steps to go after. Mr. Speaker, when will this government listen to the Auditor General and get serious about tax collection?
The Honourable Minister of National Revenue.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Since 2006, our government has introduced over 75 measures to improve the integrity of the tax system. And, Mr. Speaker, the NDP voted against all of those. The Auditor General was clear and has stated the improvements that have been made at the Canada Revenue Agency have resulted in a significant increase in the amount of tax debt collected. In the fiscal year 11-12 alone, Mr. Speaker, the CRA recovered over $40 billion in tax debt.
Have an updated.
Honourable Member for